Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a couple years ago and I made this image by Adobe Photoshop. Used a filter called Fine Edges, and I'm going to use two images together to make some watercolor image. This is going to be my subject today. Well, let's get started now. Okay, I'm going to add the layer, then I'm going to turn on this one. This image is blend mode, normal to darken. Then opacity go down to maybe 50-60% or so. Then you can see through underneath. Then the base image, I'm going to turn this one opacity down to maybe 30-25% or so. You can see, and I'm going to put the watercolor on this layer. Okay, now first of all though, I want to change the angle. Maybe like this. Then I'm gonna make a mask on this base image, so I'm gonna take that this image around here. So I just want to make kind of watercolor background, so I'm not gonna touch on her face much. So now going this way, then I'm gonna make a mask later on. Now I gotta put some skin tone of the not face, hands and nails and stuff. Maybe healthy skin tones around here. Then I'm gonna use the water brush, watercolor wash flat. Okay, then it's not gonna be that big. Maybe this much or so. Water. Then now, oops, that's a bit too big, huh? That's the largest size. I'm gonna put like so. Then I'm gonna add some little dark area. No more water size. Okay, I'm gonna dry layer, then add some darkest shadow side, not much, and also let's see how much did I. Okay, then put the nail, maybe a little bit pinkish, not much, healthy color. And again, I haven't used this. Let's see. And here. Okay, now I'm gonna maybe like this. Yeah. So I'm going for a background now. Well, this is a hand. Still have hand. So I should have the hair around here, because I'm gonna expand the image later on. So I like definition. Then darker side. It's basically watercolor going real. Oops, all the way. So I'm gonna dry layer now, then less water, change the water flash. Okay. I'm gonna make a mask and I'm gonna use the base image later, so I don't worry about this here much. Just for outside the frame. Okay, then maybe I should use that same layer to use maybe her clothes, shirt. I shift some. I'm going to draw again. Then let it little bit dark. Then use this kind of wrinkle. Yeah. Oops. Then little shadow. Okay, it's not accurate size anyways, so okay. First go from here to move this layer. As I said, I want to make it maybe tilted this way, angle wise. Yeah, I think I like this way. Now, done, and I'm gonna move this one too. I need so much accuracy of this, so that's one. Okay, continue. Then this one, I'm gonna move this one too. About this much. Okay, now cropping this way. Then I'm gonna add background color on. Maybe I'm gonna add the layer here. Then now I'm gonna make big brush to use that about here. Okay, turn more down, then give it magenta. Let's see the texture of this type. Where's gray come from? Oh, this is one. Okay, I'm gonna erase it now. Okay. Oops. When did I? Well, went back. When did I do this? Here. What's this? Oh. Now it's coming back. Is it okay? Okay. Okay, take this one out again. Now work on background. Okay, I did it here. Go back to watercolor brush. Then blue water, cyan. To dry first. Then make it some texture on this. Okay. Now let's take this one, darken and opacity 60%. Then I'm gonna create an empty mask on this, convert layer, then invert mask. Now this is 60 is okay. then just I'm going to use the brush for soft round opacity to reveal on this. Easy to understand what is revealed about here. You see that lines make it a little smaller, so you see the pencil lines on. Okay, I'm going to turn this one down so easy to see. If I walk on here to reveal, and you see that if I don't want it, I just hide it later. So I just want to see that some pencil line image on here. Okay, I guess that's enough. Just shirt area. Okay, now I'm going to use this layer also to create empty mask on that too. Convert layer, then also invert mask. Now I want to reveal same way with different, use same brush now. Bigger and soft. Maybe interesting to use that watercolor brush painting to water brush, wet brush 1. And that's interesting brush again. Make it bigger size. Reveal, you see here the moving $700 or so. Then strong lines. And same thing here. Hide this line here. Okay. Now again, reveal on her face. Now hide. Let's change the brush, wet brush 2. Let's see the texture difference. Layer, which is this here, right? So let's eraser tool. Then use the white, watercolor brush to this, and let's see, same kind of color on this. Add water. I'm going to clean up this dry layer, then take this out, showing this mask reveal. And same thing, hide dark lines. Okay, now I want to add watercolor again. Is here is wet brush. One was oh no, this is a mask, full mask. This is, I'm going to use this wet brush to basic watercolor brush, brown this. Oops. I guess I copied it. Oh, I made a mistake to copy layer. I pushed there to here. Okay, I'm gonna merge down to this. So one layer. It's okay now. What do you think? I think it's okay. That's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for your support. Have a nice day, guys, and see you next time. Ciao.